What's up, y'all? So today I'm going to be giving y'all some tips and hints and tricks about taking your vehicle off-road. First of all, it will get messed up. It will get scratched, dinged, dented, bruised, broken, whatever. Depending on how far you go off-road. I mean, if you're just going on gravel road, then yeah, you'll be fine. You might get some scrapes, but if you plan on actually pushing your truck to where you want to see how far it can go, you're gonna need to know a few things. Always go with a friend. You never know what's gonna happen. I've literally been stuck out in the middle of the woods with my truck halfway under. Always take somebody with you. You never know what's gonna happen. So be safe whenever you go out. But as far as tips and tricks about your vehicle, these are a few things that I've learned. If you've learned anything else, just put it in the comments below, and glad to know anything else. But what I've learned so far is the mud flaps. They will break off. They will get broken. I mean, I lost one of my front ones, so I went ahead and had to take off the other one. This one back here, you can see it's loose. It's going to be missing a few push pins. This happens. Whenever you go off-road, it's going to happen. I don't care who you are. So if you don't want to lose them, take them off. Just go ahead, keep them off. You can put them back on whenever you sell them. But I just kept off the front ones. The rear ones, they stay on a little bit easier. And it keeps from kicking up, rocks and dirt and everything on the people behind you. So I keep that on. But the second thing is, especially if you have a Tacoma, that connector, the trailer connector, will break off. Mine actually broke off and I had to re-weld it. They do make a bracket to where you can mount it. Hang on, let me get down on here. Where you can mount it right here. So the plug's gonna be facing directly down and then it's gonna come up. I didn't think about it. I should have literally just, after this broke off, go ahead and weld it right here. That way it was already pointing down, but of course I thought of that after the fact. So I'm just gonna wait for it to break again. Also, if I can get up, another thing you will want to know is guards. Tail light, headlight guards, they work. Because if not, instead of spending 30 bucks on a tail light guard, you've got to spend 200 for factory tail lights. I'm not doing it. I don't care right now. It ain't bothering me. They still work. But if you are going to go off-road, spend the extra money. Just get those guards, period. It'll save you. With my Tacoma, stock ride height is decent. It's about 12 inches in the front and then 15 in the rear because of my leaf assist springs. But no matter if you have body lift, suspension lift, it still doesn't matter. The axles are still in the same place. That's not going to change until you get some big tires. So watch how deep you're going. Like the picture that you saw, I ended up slipping into that track. The track was actually made for, 12-inch lift, 35-inch tires. So it was completely trenched out. The axle got stuck, and that's how I got stuck there. I had to get a tow truck to come out because, of course, I didn't go with a friend. So always go prepared. Always be safe. And know something's going to get broke, period. Go out knowing something's going to get broke. Whether it's a light or an axle, something's going to break. Eventually, if not your first time. So just know whenever you're going off-road, that's gonna happen, period. Just go out and have fun. That's what it's all about. Getting out, having fun, playing around in some mud. That's what it is. Don't leave trash laying around. Don't burn stuff. Go out and just enjoy the outside. So that's all I have for right now. If you liked it, hit the like, subscribe for more videos and updates. But for now, I believe that's all I gotta say. So, yeah, y'all have fun. Stay safe. Goodbye for now.